Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to clear your internet browsing history on your iPhone running iOS 26. So if your Safari history is full of websites you don't want saved, or you just want a clean reset, follow along step by step to fix it. Alright, let's dive in. First, open the Safari app on your phone. Now look at the bottom right corner of your screen and tap the three dots icon. From the menu that pops up, tap on Bookmarks. Yes, Bookmarks, even though we're trying to access history. Once you're inside, you'll see different sections at the top. Tap the clock icon. This is where all your browsing history is stored. Now, if you want to clear it, tap the three dots at the top of the screen, then select Clear. You'll now get a few options to choose from. You can clear all history or just your recent activity, like the last day, the last 2 days, and yesterday, or even just the last hour. You can also use this same menu to close all your open browser tabs at once, which is really useful if your Safari is packed with pages you don't need anymore. For example, I'm going to clear my history for today and also close all my tabs in one go. And that's it. That's how you clear your browsing history on iOS 26. Quick tip before you go, if you don't want Safari to save your history in the first place, just open a private tab when browsing. Anything you do there won't be saved at all. Hope this helps. If you've got any questions, leave them in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tutorials like this.